Let's prepare a complete and healthy lunch. May protein, may veggies, may rice. Grocery shopping tayo, pero sa freezer ko lang. I have so many frozen food. Kailangan ko lang gawin is to take them out of the freezer, reheat, bake, or fry. Wala na akong rice, so magsaing muna tayo. I'm just using an old clip na nagsasaing ako. Pare-pares lang naman yan. Also, hindi lang rice ang lulutuin ko sa rice cooker. A few weeks ago, pinakita ko sa inyo how I make the most out of my rotisserie chicken. Ito siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko na way to prepare it. Take it out of the freezer and ipatong nyo lang sa rice. Gumawa din ako ng freezer-friendly ampalaya con carne. Super dali lang nitong initin. Lagay lang natin sa microwave-safe bowl. Microwave natin for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, haluin lang natin saglit para ma-distribute yung heat dun sa food. Tapos initin natin ulit for 1 minute. When your rice is cooked, your chicken is perfectly warm. It also makes your rice extra flavorful. So now I have my vegetables, my rice, my chicken, and I made everything in under 30 minutes. And there you go, a complete lunch that is ready as soon as your rice is ready. Can't we just say na ang ganda nung ampalaya con carne? Let's try it. Sobrang perfect nito with a mountain of rice. Yung chicken hindi nyo na kailangan lutuin kasi luto na siya. I have more freezer meal recipes in my playlist and marami pa akong ipopost soon, so like and follow for more.